Guess who's back and better than ever? Hey girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. Before we get to the good stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a video. Over the next several weeks, I will be bringing you holiday gift guides for the different people in your life. This week's video, holiday gifts for the budgeter in your life, or your most frugal friends and family. I will have every single product listed here in the description bar below. There will be direct links so that you can get there. Some of them are affiliate links, so I might make a little bit, like a few cents to $1 if you purchase something. I so appreciate it if you use one of my links. Most of you probably aren't thinking about Christmas just yet, but I'm here to tell you that it's time. Start thinking about it. Start ordering your gifts, start making your gifts, get your spreadsheet out, get it going. Now's the time. You don't want to wait for whatever Black Friday is going to look like this year, because it's probably going to be a mess. So get it going now. If you are a frequent watcher of my videos, then you have already created your sinking fund for Christmas and probably have it almost already fully funded. If not, that video is right here where I talk about sinking funds, what they are, and why you should be using them. I believe that everything here is going to be under $100. Actually, most of it's going to be under $50. And I'm the perfect person to do this because I love all things budgeting and wealth and personal finance. The first thing that your frugal friends and family need would be a Luxe wallet. I'm not going to spend too much time because obviously I'm obsessed. I have done multiple reviews, which I will link up here. They have a regular cash wallet. This is for your cash envelopes. This is actually the DebtFreePanda collab. These are for cash envelopes. They are stunning. They have the binder rings. They have a wrist strap that you attach and then you can carry it. They still have spots for cards and extra cash, pen loop, change pocket, everything that you need right here. That's the regular. If you want a full in-depth review where you can see everything, where I zoom in on every feature, they're gonna be up here, down there, take a look. We also have the Luxe Wallet planner size. This one is a little bit bigger, and actually this one is not even the newest one. They just came out with the newest version that has even more pockets on the inside. This one's just a little bit bigger than this guy. You can kind of see a little bit bigger. This one's great if you wanna put planner inserts, cash envelopes, all that good stuff in there. That's the one. This one is the cashless wallet. Don't get it twisted, you can still carry cash in here. This is just a little bit thinner. And there isn't a binder section because you wouldn't be carrying cash envelopes. You would probably just have a little bit of cash here or there. Again, all of these are linked so you can see my full review videos. And then if you really want to get them something fancy, oh my gosh, stop it. So cute. Look at that. Look at it. This is the quilted wallet. It comes in this color and also a black. Everything comes in multiple colors, so don't you worry. I have a link for 10% off your Luxe Wallet purchase, also in the description bar below. Click on that and then use code GLAMLIFE10 at checkout and you'll get 10% off. They have envelopes, they have budget trackers, they have pens, they have wallets. Christmas shopping is so easy there. I have now gotten one for each of my sisters. I think my mom might even want one now, and I have a lot of them. It brings me joy. I can keep all of my money organized. They range like 40s to 60s, depending on which model you get. You spend more than that on a regular wallet that doesn't have all the features that you want. So obviously I love them. This is not sponsored. I have been sponsored by them in the past. I do have an affiliate code with them, but I seriously, sincerely carry a Luxe wallet every day, and I love them. I would not recommend them if I did not love them. That brings me to number 2 on my list. So you saw my navy wallet that I was showing you. This wallet was actually a collaboration with DebtFreePanda, and DebtFreePanda is she's an amazing account on Instagram. Super nice. Her name is Amanda. She makes cash envelopes. And they're tabbed and they're beautiful, and she'll just release them in these little collections. They're vertical. Oh my, they're so beautiful. I highly recommend getting something cute like that so that you can insert them right in. Luxe Wallet carries the zippered cash envelopes, while DebtFreePanda carries more of the sliding, like just open envelopes, some that are vertical, some that are horizontal, and the tabs. It just keeps everything really organized and you're not fumbling around to try to find something. It's very nice, it's very organized, we love it. And those are all incredibly inexpensive too. I'll put the price range right here somewhere. The next thing that I'm going to suggest are teller slips. Sounds kind of weird, but if you know someone who budgets in cash, they 100% want teller slips. There are a couple different options here. The Budget Mom actually created a little sticky note pad where you can take them with you, which is super great. If you want something that's a little bit more sustainable that you don't have to replace a lot, I have one that's like a wet erase. I will link one below because the one that I got is from a shop who no longer exists, which is so sad. But I will link a good one down below. That way you can write it, erase it, write it again the next week or for the next paycheck. Your envelope breakdown is so important. If you are confused on what the cash envelope breakdown or the bill breakdown is, right here. The next thing we're going to talk about are budget planners or budget workbooks. There are many different kinds at many different price points. We're going to talk about a few different ones today. I actually just ordered this one to try it out. This is the Budget Bootcamp Planner. Jordan Page, she has a whole budget bootcamp workshop, which is also another really great gift if you want to gift somebody the ability to gain their own financial freedom and they can watch the course by themselves on their own time. Great option, highly recommend. There is the Budget Bootcamp Planner that you can kind of go along with it. Her budget planner comes with envelopes. It has everything that you need, debt trackers, savings trackers, bill breakdowns, everything that you need. I will be doing a review once I get mine so that I can really dig in there and show you guys what's going on. There's also the Budget Mom. She has two different versions. She has a full-on workbook that has 12 months in there ready to go, and this is probably one of the most popular ones on the market because it's so clear, so concise. That's another one that I'd really like to try and do a little review for you guys to see what I think. And then this year she also came out with the boxed set. There are, I believe, 13 books that show you the yearly breakdown, and then there is a section for each week. So each month has its own book, and then each week has a section for budgeting and a bill breakdown and all that good stuff. Finance books. Finance books, personal finance books are so great. I would do a little bit of research. I think one of my favorites is You Are a Badass at Making Money by Jen Sincero. Books are great because they're at a great price point, and if you know the person enjoys reading, you know that they're gonna read it. You don't have to spend a lot of money on it, but then you're giving them the gift of knowledge. Personal development, fiction, nonfiction, whatever. I love books. I would be so excited if somebody got me a book. I'll pop a couple in the description bar below, but I would say my favorite personal finance book is You Are a Badass at Making Money. This one is really fun. This is by Mirandafree on Instagram. This is great for our friends in the budgeting community. It says, I cash flowed this tank top, which is funny because, you know, it's only 22 bucks, but that's a big thing in the budget world, in the personal finance world, is cash flowing things so that you don't have to go into debt for something. Because like, why would you want to go into debt for a tank top? You wouldn't. You would cash flow it because you're responsible with your money. Okay, I have to do a little bit of self-promo in here. I created a financial coloring book, which was so fun. I found different quotes and I did the different drawings so that you guys can do like the full-on adult coloring. Print out the pages as many times as you want. I have it on sale right now for $3.99. It's $3.99. You get 10 coloring pages. It's so much fun. This is great if you're not going to see somebody for the holiday. You don't want to be concerned about shipping and getting something there on time. All you have to do is buy it, send them the link, and then they can print it out and they can do all of their really fun coloring. I also recommend the Crayola SuperTips. So if you're giving it to somebody in person, the Crayola SuperTips are great because it's like $14, I think, for 100 markers, and they're all different colors. I highly recommend. I might also be releasing another type of coloring book kind of soon, so make sure you follow me on Instagram and subscribe to me here on YouTube so that you guys can be the first ones to find out. Like, okay, I'm definitely releasing something, but I was just trying to be coy about it. This one is a little bit kind of like off the wall, but if you're a budgeter, there are certain things you just won't spend money on, and one of those is bottled water. I have two recommendations for that. The first one, a ZeroWater pitcher. It's not always the best to drink straight out of the tap. Depending on where you live, you might not have super clean drinking water. This is awesome because there's a filter in here where you fill it up, it filters out all the junk, and then you have really clean drinking water. It comes with at least one filter depending on the package that you get. I'll link it down below. This is, depending on where you get it and how many filters you get with it, it can be like 35 bucks, it can be 50 bucks. I'll put the link, the best link I can find down below, and I will also link to some extra filter packs because you will eventually need to replace the filter. But this is great because then you never have to buy bottled water again. Okay, and the next thing that I love is the HydroJug. I I know I put this at the end of pretty much every single video. I tell you to stay hydrated, sis. This is 73 ounces, 2,200 milliliters, or 73 ounces. This is the minimum of what you should be drinking a day with water. Drink water, stay hydrated. Like, I'm trying to keep you healthy. They have multiple different colors. I mean, they have everything from your basic black, white, clear, and then they have pinks and blues and corals and all kinds of crazy stuff. And then they have different fun pattern sleeves now. That's the thing that they've been doing. Florals and galaxy and camo, and these are pretty inexpensive. I think the bottles are $19.99 and the sleeves might be also $19.99. I'll put the pricing here. Last two things. Gift cards. Gift cards. There is this stigma in the gift giving universe where people think that you're not supposed to give a gift card because it's not personal and it's not from the heart. I'll take the gift cards that you don't want then. If that's you, please give me your gift cards that you don't want because it's apparently not personal enough. If you get someone a gift card, you're literally giving them money to go spend it on what they want. Hello? That's great. As opposed to someone just getting you a shirt that doesn't fit and then you gotta go take it back, have to tell you how much credit you have, and then you gotta exchange it, and no. Gift cards are fabulous. If you know they're a crafter, get them a gift card to Joann Fabrics. Super easy. If you know that they are Amazon obsessed, get them an Amazon gift card. There are so many different places that they might be obsessed with. If they love going out to eat, but they don't always have the budget for it, give them a gift card to their favorite restaurant. They'll appreciate that so much because then they don't have to stress about it and put it in the budget because you will have given them that gift, and then that's something that they can use. I am all about gift cards, and your favorite budgeters are also all about gift cards. And if they're not about gift cards, they're about cold, hard cash. There are plenty of different ways that you can gift cash. Money is energy. It's what makes the world go round here. That's just how it works. There are many different ways that you can make it fun. You can make like the money cakes, or put it in the box and have it come out. If you want to do something fun like that, that's great. Or put it in a card. Or honestly, someone said that they got mad because someone Venmo'd them for their wedding. Someone literally put money into your bank account, is what you're telling me, and you're telling me that you're mad about that? You're telling me that you're mad about that. I would be thrilled. Please Venmo me. Like, what are you talking about? I do not get upset when someone sends me money. If someone wants to give it to me in cash form, that's okay. If they're just gonna put it directly in my bank account, then whatever. That just saves me a step. Hey. I'm going to be doing more gift guides like this for the different types of people in your life. Let me know what types of gift guides that you're looking for next in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to get those going for you. I upload every single Wednesday, and I'm going to try to upload these as often as I can. So subscribe, hit the thumbs up, stay tuned. If you like beauty, dance, and finance, you are in the right place. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section below, or DM me on Instagram at GlamLifeByMeg. I respond as quickly as I possibly can so that I can make sure to help you guys get exactly what you're looking for. That's it for this video, and until next time, stay hydrated, sis. There is a bird out there who just really wants to make a cameo.